Hi friends, I'm Anya. Thank you so much for your comments and love on my recent videos. One viewer asked a very smart question: what exercises help to build the habit of thinking in English? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I trained my brain to think directly in English, using real, easy daily exercises and tools that actually worked for me. So watch till the end. By the way, I've created a free daily checklist PDF to help you build these habits. But here's the thing: don't just download it and forget it. You'll only be able to follow it effectively after watching this full video. Because I'm not just listing tasks, I'm showing you exactly how and why to do each one in a way that actually works in real life. So stay with me till the end, and then grab your free checklist to make it part of your day. Don't forget to download the daily checklist PDF from the description below. If you're watching this video, it means you want to improve your English fluency. And one of the most powerful things you can do is to train your brain to think in English. Why is this important? Because when you think in English, you stop translating from your native language. That means less hesitation, faster responses, and you sound more natural. Trust me, this one change made a huge difference in my speaking skills. Let's go over the practical exercises I use, and you can start doing them today. Mind talk: talk to yourself in English. I do this every day while doing small tasks like cooking or getting dressed. For example, when I'm cooking, I might say, "Okay, I'm going to chop the onions. Let me check if I have tomatoes. I need more salt." You don't have to be perfect. Just talk to yourself in English, out loud or in your mind. Describe your day in English. When I wake up, I mentally describe my routine. It's 7 a.m. I feel sleepy. I have to brush my teeth, then make some tea. Before going to bed, I recap the day. Today was a long day. I finished editing my video, answered some comments, and went for a walk. You can also write it in a journal if you like writing. Label your environment. This one is so fun. I use sticky notes and write the English word for everyday things, like mirror, fridge, pillow, charger, and stick them around the house. Every time I walk past, I read them. Change the labels weekly to learn more words. Narrate what you see, especially when traveling or walking. When I go for a walk, I narrate what I see. There's a man jogging. That child is flying a kite. The sky looks so clear today. It's like storytelling, and it keeps your brain thinking in English even in simple moments. Ask yourself simple questions in English. This one changed the game for me. Throughout the day, I ask myself, what should I eat for lunch? Why am I feeling tired today? What do I need to finish by 5 p.m.? It helps you build your inner conversation in English. Tools that help me. Let me share a few apps and tricks I actually use. Apps. ELSA Speak helps with pronunciation and fluency through voice feedback. You can try the ELSA Speak app for free. It gives you limited access, but it's a great start to improve your pronunciation. ChatGPT. Yes, I use ChatGPT to have conversations in English and ask questions like a virtual speaking partner. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to chat and improve my English fluency, step by step. Don't miss it. Subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Sticky note game. As I mentioned, I play this game where I label 10 items in my room every week. I test myself: what's this called in English? If I don't remember, I quickly check and say it out loud. Thinking triggers. I set my phone lock screen to an English quote, like, "Everything is hard before it is easy." It reminds me to think in English the moment I check my phone. I also use Google Calendar reminders that say "Speak English now" at 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Bonus tip: 1-minute English thought diary. I've started doing this recently and it works like magic. Every day, I either write or record a 1-minute voice note about one thought or idea, all in English. Example: today I realized I worry too much about making mistakes. But mistakes help me grow. Don't worry about grammar. Just express freely. You'll see improvement in just a week. So here's a little challenge for you. Pick one method from today's video and try it right now. Don't wait until tomorrow, start thinking in English today. And tell me in the comments, which exercise do you want to try first? Also, let me know your biggest challenge when trying to think in English. I'd love to make a video that helps you personally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. I'm Anya, and I'll see you in the next one.